7 plus best affiliate marketing tools for WordPress. Every marketer needs News Strategy 2022. Hello viewers, this is Monirul Islam. And I'm an internet entrepreneur. An internet marketer with over 5+ years of experience in traffic generation. Today, I'm talking about 7 plus best affiliate marketing tools. If you want to know what are the best tools for your business, please, full watch this video. Let's start. What is affiliate plugins for WordPress? Link cloaking and tracking tool. An affiliate plugin for WordPress can be a great way to cloak your links and track your results. This can be a great way to manage your links and track your results. There are many plugins and tools available for this purpose. Do some research to find the one that best suits your needs. Number 1. What is Lasso? Lasso affiliate marketing tools made for bloggers. Lasso makes it easy to manage links, create product displays, and increase your affiliate income. Their tools are specifically designed for bloggers, making it easy to get started and maximize your earnings. With Lasso, you can easily add affiliate links to your blog posts, create product displays, and track your earnings. Their simple interface and comprehensive features make it the perfect solution for bloggers looking to increase their affiliate income. Here are some of the key features of Lasso. Easily add affiliate links to your blog posts. Create product displays. Track your earnings. Simple interface. Comprehensive features. Product displays optimized to convert. Opportunities earn more. Dashboard get organized. Click tracking measure your work. Link health plug income leaks. Lasso is the perfect solution for bloggers looking to increase their affiliate income. With Lasso, you can easily add affiliate links to your blog posts, create product displays, and track your earnings. Number 2. What is Thirsty Affiliates? Thirsty Affiliates, the best affiliate link cloaking plugin for WordPress. If you are an affiliate marketer, you know how important it is to have a good affiliate link cloaking plugin. Thirsty Affiliates is one of the best plugins out there. It allows you to easily cloak your affiliate links and keep track of your clicks. It also has a pretty link feature that will enable you to create pretty links for your affiliate links easily. This is a great plugin, and I would recommend it to any affiliate marketer. Here are some of the critical features of Thirsty Affiliates. Allows you to cloak your affiliate links easily. Keeps track of your clicks. Allows you to create pretty links. Integrates with popular affiliate networks. Has a built-in redirect manager. Allows you to add custom affiliate parameters. Has a link expiration feature. Allows you to geo-target your links. Cloak long ugly affiliate links. Protect your commissions from theft. Insert affiliate links into blog posts easily. If you are looking for a good affiliate link cloaking plugin, I would highly recommend Thirsty Affiliates. It is one of the best plugins out there and will help you make more money as an affiliate marketer. Number 3. What is Affiliate WP? Affiliate WP easily create your full-featured affiliate program on WordPress. Affiliate WP is the easiest and best affiliate management plugin for WordPress. With Affiliate WP, you can easily create your full-featured affiliate program on WordPress. Affiliate WP is an easy-to-use, reliable, and powerful affiliate management plugin that makes it easy for you to manage your affiliate program on WordPress. Affiliate WP is the best affiliate management plugin for WordPress. Here are some of the key features of Affiliate WP. Easy setup. Real-time reporting. Automatic affiliate creation. Referral link generator. World-class support. Export data to CSV. Set cookie expiration. Referral rate types. Affiliate coupon tracking. Accurate affiliate tracking. Easy to use. Reliable. Powerful. Makes it easy to manage your affiliate program on WordPress. If you are looking for an easy to use, reliable, and powerful affiliate management plugin for WordPress, then Affiliate WP is the best plugin. Number 4. What is Post Affiliate Pro? Post Affiliate Pro network and affiliate marketing tracking software. Post Affiliate Pro is an affiliate marketing tracking software designed to help online businesses manage and track their affiliate programs. It offers a range of features and tools that allow companies to automate their affiliate program management, including tracking affiliate sales and commissions, managing affiliate payments, and generating custom reports. Here are some of the key features of Post Affiliate Pro. Tracking of affiliate sales and commissions. Managing affiliate payments. Generating custom reports. Integration with e-commerce platforms. Real-time tracking of sales and conversions. Fraud protection. Multi-language support. API access. Affiliate link styles. Overall, Post Affiliate Pro is a comprehensive and powerful affiliate marketing tracking software suitable for businesses of all sizes. It offers a wide range of features and tools to automate affiliate program management, making it an ideal solution for businesses that want to streamline their affiliate program management. Best affiliate marketing tools for WordPress. Number 5. What is Easy Affiliate? Easy Affiliate all-in-one affiliate program plugin for WordPress. The Easy Affiliate all-in-one affiliate program plugin for WordPress is the perfect solution for those looking to start their affiliate program. With this plugin, you can easily manage affiliates, payments, and commissions, all from within your WordPress admin panel. There is no need to install separate plugins or scripts, as everything is handled within the Easy Affiliate all-in-one plugin. Here are some of the key features of Easy Affiliate all-in-one. Super simple setup. Personalized affiliate dashboard. Perfect payment integration. Powerful admin. Affiliate applications. Commissions tracking. Custom link generation. Pay affiliates confidently. Intuitive email marketing. One-click upgrade. Affiliate management. Easily add, edit, and delete affiliates from your WordPress admin panel. Payment management. Easily add, edit, and delete payments from your WordPress admin panel. Commission management. Easily add, edit, and delete commissions from your WordPress admin panel. Tracking. The plugin includes a robust tracking system to see which links are performing well and which ones need improvement. Reports. The plugin generates detailed reports, so you can see how your affiliate program is performing. WordPress integration. The plugin integrates seamlessly with WordPress so that you can manage everything from within your WordPress admin panel. Easy Affiliate all-in-one is the perfect solution for those looking to start their affiliate program. With this plugin, you can easily manage affiliates, payments, and commissions all from within your WordPress admin panel. There is no need to install separate plugins or scripts, as everything is handled within the Easy Affiliate all-in-one plugin. Number 6. What is WP Affiliate Manager? WP Affiliate Manager and Affiliate Marketing Program drive traffic and sales to your site. WP Affiliate Manager is a WordPress plugin that makes it easy to manage your affiliate marketing program. With WP Affiliate Manager, you can easily add, edit, and delete affiliates, create affiliate groups, set affiliate commission rates, and track affiliate referrals. WP Affiliate Manager also includes an affiliate registration form to add new affiliates to your program easily. Best affiliate marketing tools for WordPress. Here are some of the key features of WP Affiliate Manager. Simple installation. Seamless integration with WooCommerce. Integration with Stripe Payments plugin. Integration with WP e-commerce. Integration with Simple Shopping Cart. Real-time reporting. Flat rate or percentage-based payouts. WP Affiliate Manager is an excellent tool for managing your affiliate marketing program. It is easy to use and has many features that will help you run your program smoothly. Number 7. What is Tapeaffiliate? Tapeaffiliate easily create, track and grow your own affiliate marketing programs. Affiliate tracking software for e-commerce and SaaS integrates seamlessly with your site in minutes. Easily create, track and grow your own affiliate marketing programs with Tapeaffiliate. Affiliate tracking software for e-commerce and SaaS integrates seamlessly with your site in minutes. With Tapeaffiliate, you can easily create beautiful affiliate sign-up forms, automate commission payouts, and track your affiliates' performance with real-time reporting. Our advanced features allow you to grow your affiliate program quickly and easily. Here are some of the key features of Tapeaffiliate. Easy onboarding and full support on your way to success. Accurate sales tracking with links and coupons. Automated affiliate/referral partner recruitment. Manage banners and other assets for all partners. White labeled with your brand. Commissions recurring, lifetime fixed, or percent-based. Performance bonuses for affiliates and other partners. Powerful reporting for your program. Convenient affiliate dashboard in multiple languages. Easy to use. No coding required. Install our JavaScript snippet on your site, and you're ready. Fully customizable. You can customize the look and feel of your affiliate program to match your brand. Real-time reporting. Track your affiliates' performance in real time so you can see what's working and what's not. Advanced features. You can quickly grow your affiliate program with our advanced features. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, fully customizable, and real-time reporting affiliate tracking software, then Tapeaffiliate is the perfect solution for you. Overall, Tapeaffiliate is an excellent affiliate tracking software that is easy to use and fully customizable. It also offers real-time reporting, a great way to track your affiliates' performance. With these 7 affiliate marketing tools, you can easily grow your business. Which is the best affiliate plugin for your site? The best affiliate plugin for your site depends on your needs. If you are looking for an easy-to-use plugin with many features, then I would recommend Tapeaffiliate. If you are looking for a fully customizable plugin that offers real-time reporting, I recommend Affiliate WP. And if you want to free use, I will recommend Lasso. Summary for affiliate marketers. There are many affiliate plugins for WordPress available. Do some research to find the one that best suits your needs. Lasso, Thirsty Affiliates, and Affiliate WP are all great options. Each offers different features and tools to help you manage your affiliate program. Choose the one that best fits your needs and start cloaking your links and tracking. If you want to know more about how to make money with digital marketing, please visit my blog and grow your business. How to make money with SEO and become SEO expert complete guide 2022. And how to start content marketing and make money, a beginner's guide without experience 2022. And how can you earn money through digital marketing new strategy 2022. Thank you. If you have any comments or questions, please comment below.